Welcome, here I've got Motorola Edge and I'm gonna show you how to record the slow motion video at this device. So at first we have to tap on the camera button here to open it, and as you can see for now we are in the standard photo mode, so let's change it because the Motorola device gives us the other mode only to record the slow motion. We can do it by tapping on this button here from the left. And it opens as other modes of this camera. Now let's focus on the video modes. As you can see here we have the slow motion, so let's pick this. And that's all, we can start recording the slow motion video by using this big red button here. So let me start to show you how it looks like. And now let's move here to the right corner at the bottom. When we tap on this we get quick access to the gallery, and this is our video. We can play it by tapping at the center. And this is how the slow motion video looks like on this device. This is how it works. Thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave that thumbs up.